Team Amy, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, so much welcome. Yes, so this is a new video, guys. I was going to sleep, but then I thought about doing this video because these days doing content is really hard for me, and I'm just trying to push myself. Yeah, I'm just trying because I have to keep you updated about my or our pregnancy. Yeah, so today I want to do a very common video that so many people do, and see, this is how we are. Can you guys see me? Oh, let me put it down here. Can you guys see me? Can you guys see me? All I do like this, yeah. So we are growing one step at a time, but today I want to do a video of how is it called? Gender prediction. It's normally called the old wives' tales. Yeah, like things that people normally, I think it's like they're like myth. Yeah, things that people look at and then they judge if you are to give birth to a baby boy or you are to give birth to a baby girl. Yes, so guys, I have flu, so just bear with me. Yeah, so but to some extent, I think some of the things, if you're watching this video, don't take this serious, but it's just a prediction. It's just like how someone will predict Arsenal and Man U and will bet Man U to beat Arsenal and Arsenal beats Man U. Yeah, so this is a gender prediction. So I want also to do a prediction depending on how I feel. Yes. So let me tell you guys. One, there are so many. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. There are 9, but there would have been 10. But anyway, let's try the 9. So sweet or salty food. So the old wives' tales normally predict that if you love sweet food, sweet things, they could be snacks, like anything sweet, you are most likely to give birth to a baby girl. And if you love salt things, you are mostly likely to give birth to a baby boy. So okay, let me take you back. I know most of you are asking, okay, Alice, which gender would you love, or who do you want? You want a boy, you want a girl? Honestly, let me tell you, children are gifts from God, and whatever God gives you is what you have to accept because it's what they've been able to give you. But if you ask me that question, I'll honestly tell you I would love a boy first. I feel like boys are mummies, their mummy loved sons, like they love moms, like they love them. Boys love their mothers more than their fathers. Yes, so not only that, but I also, just like you, but still, if it is a girl, still that I wouldn't mind because it's a blessing and it's what God has given me. Yeah, so let's predict. Let's try to predict. So sweet or salty, sweet things or sweet snacks is basically for boys, no, for girls, and then salty is for boys. So personally, I have not craved for sweet stuff, but rather I've craved for salty. So this is 1 point for a boy. Morning sickness. Morning sickness, if you have watched my previous video, I talked about, like, it was not like I didn't have that morning sickness that I hear and see people, like, people go through a lot, whereby people, like, they get sick, like they, you know, that kind of situation, vomiting every time. For me, it hasn't yet been the issue. They normally say if you have a lot of morning sickness, it's a girl, and if you don't have a lot of morning sickness, it's a boy. So that's another point for a boy. I don't want to feel like I'm very anxious because of what I want and what I'm predicting, but that is the truth. So hey, glow or breakout. So they normally say if you are glowing, if your skin is glowing like mine, it's most likely to be a boy. If you're having a lot of breakouts, it's mostly likely to be a girl. But I don't think this one is true. Okay, let's just take it. Let me first of all comment on this. I had a friend who was pregnant and her skin was really bad. She had a lot of breakout, but she gave birth to a boy. So anyway, like I said, they're myths and they're just predictions. So let's just try to do it and see. So this is a point for a boy. Girls, we need points. Girls, you see, I've even put on pink, yeah, to support the girl child. I've put on pink to support the girl child, but why now? Okay, and then moody swings. They normally say if you are moody, like if you are moody, you are most likely to have a girl. If you are not so moody, most likely to have a boy. Have I ever been moody? No. Okay, a book comment down, don't tell me. Moody, what are they meaning by being moody? Is it trying to feel like everyone annoys you? Is it you having a feeling of like you feel you don't want people, you hate this person, you hate the other person? Is that what they mean moody? Comment down below. But personally, I feel I haven't been moody, so it's another point for a boy. Low pregnancy, no sleep position. If you sleep on the left, it's a boy. If you sleep on the right, it's a girl. My most position that I use is left. That's another point for a boy. If you give birth to a girl, hey, still okay. Team baby girl and team baby boy. Tell me, if you are team baby boy, comment down below. If you are team baby girl, comment down below. So higher and lower pregnancy. This one I can't tell. A book comment, is this one higher? Is it higher or it is lower? This one I won't answer because I don't know and I don't want to open my belly. But comment down and tell me, depending on what okay. Hey, where is the pillow? Hey, Alice, you want to joke right now? Okay, so depending on how you're seeing this, is it a boy or is it a low which is high? This one I don't know honestly. Even an old number, age, even an old number, no, even an old number. So if your age and your year that you got pregnant is odd, it means you are having a girl. If the the age and the year that you've blah blah blah, that you've gotten pregnant. English, leave me alone. English, leave me alone. So if it's even, it's a boy. So for me, it's a girl. Finally, we have a point for a girl. Yeah! And then lastly, but not least, feet changes. No swelling. If your feet are swelling, it's a boy. If your feet are not swelling, it's a girl. So apparently, I think it's very early to predict this one because my feet are not swelling. So no swelling. They said no swelling, it's a girl. Another point for a girl. Yo, girls, we are here. We are coming. So this was the last one. And what else do they talk about? What else? I've forgotten. So those are some of what I had in mind and some that I had written out. I didn't want to make this video long because baby girl has to sleep and this beautiful blessing also wants to rest. Yes, but so let's count from the ones we had 9 points. We can't get the 10th one 1,000 hours later. So the last one is headaches. Headaches, if you have so many headaches, you have okay, if you have so much headache or if you have frequent headache, it means it's a boy. If you don't have a lot of headaches, it means it's a girl. So personally, I've not had so many headaches so far, by the way, and yet previously, before I was pregnant, I used to have constant headaches, but not so much. Yeah, so this turns out to be less for the girl. Yeah, so we've come to 10. I've at least finally made 10 points. So let's count boy versus girl. How many for the boy and how many for the girl? Yeah, so for the girl, for the boy, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you guys so that you don't say I'm cheating. It's not clear. Yeah, so let me just count for you guys. For the boys, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We left out one question, the one for if I'm feeling high or low pregnancy. We left it out. And then for the girl, it is 1, 2, 3. So boy wins. So let's wait and see. Like I said, children are a blessing from God. So if God gives me a baby girl, I'll just have to raise the mini-me. Can't wait. If God gives me a boy, yeah, still okay. But for this prediction, the boy win. So let's wait and see the gender reveal. So I don't know how I don't know if I'll be able to do a gender reveal, but if I'm to do it, it won't be like a party. It will just be, I think it will just be an online session thing, just to give you news, updates on what really came out. And yeah, so thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. And if you have watched till the ending and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the family, Join Team Amy, join Alice Amy, join my YouTube channel for join, yeah, join, and bring someone else to join. Yeah, yes. So see you in another video. Baraka.